Today, we're diving into the hidden world of pesticides and what happens when they miss their mark. Let's start with a puzzle, and trust me, the answer shows just how connected everything really is. First, you gotta understand how these tools are supposed to work before we see the side effects. So, they either attack the pest's nervous system or, well, they shut down its power source completely. What's wild is how specific they are, targeting just the right enzyme or receptor to get the job done. But that precision, it's also their biggest weakness, causing all sorts of unintended consequences for wildlife. Turns out, a lot of animals share the same basic wiring, which makes them vulnerable. Some pesticides block this key enzyme. Think of it like a stuck gas pedal on the nervous system. In mammals, this leads to a total system overload, known by the lovely acronym SLUDGE. And even if they don't kill the animal, the long-term damage can be pretty serious. Okay, now let's talk about a completely different kind of threat, hormone disruption. These chemicals basically trick an animal's body, either by blocking or faking crucial hormone signals. The results get bizarre, like male frogs that actually start developing eggs. No joke. Now let's track how these poisons get way more potent as they move through the ecosystem. So first, a toxin builds up inside one animal, like a fish just absorbing it from the water. But then that concentration gets way stronger with every single step up the food chain. This means the predators at the very top, like eagles, get hit the absolute hardest. You can see a direct line from certain pesticides to specific problems, from nerve damage to reproductive failure. So, what's the fix? Well, it takes a whole new way of looking at the problem. The point isn't to ban these things. It's about being way smarter about how we use them. And this is the key, the idea that the health of everything is linked together. It's called One Health. Which leaves us with the big question, how do we feed the world without destroying it?